It's a volcanic hot spring. Look at all the steam coming off this water. Oh, that's warm. Let's see if we can jam this hole up. There we go. It's filling up with hot water pretty quick. There we go. All right, so we got cold water there, boiling hot water there, and warm water flowing in here. And you can kind of use the 3 to adjust your temperature. Oh, all right, let's get warm. I'm starting to regret my idea. Okay, half of me is being boiled alive, half of me is freezing to death, and there's just a little bit of sweet spot. Oh, I think I've got the temperature dialed in pretty good. That hot water pipe is just a touch too hot, so I got a little bit of that warm waterfall coming in and mixing with it. Just perfect.